Alright, so in this video we're giving away 5 of these PandaRC Nano video transmitters. I did a video on this previously. It's in this one here, the tadpole build, and I think you see it's down there. I actually put a different antenna on this one for so look at a later video. I'll show you that later. But if you want details on the video transmitter, it's not going to be in this video, it'll be in that other video. But for the purposes of the giveaway, which will be 5 of these given away in this video, I would like for you to actually do your own little bit of research on this video transmitter and include those in your comment, and make sure it's one comment only. 3 pieces of information: the current price of the video transmitter, the maximum output, and the weight, and put those in your comment. So to get that information, you have to click the link down in the description, and that'll take you to this website where you can purchase these, and you can get the information on their product page. Now the comments are going to be moderated, so you're not going to see anyone else's comment down there. So if you're wondering why no one else is entering, that's why. Also, you'll need to be a subscriber of the channel, and I will check that. So if you can make sure that your subscriptions are public, I'll need to verify that when I do the winner selection process. And lastly, please like this video so that I'll have some information as to whether you guys like these kind of giveaways or not. It seems like in the last several giveaways, not many people have hit the like button. I really would encourage you to do that so that I have some good feedback as to whether or not you want to see future giveaways in future videos. Okay, so that's going to do it for this video. Good luck, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.